I wish you a happy new year 2021, and God bless you, and let this year be a successful year. So you please watch till the end. Now I'm in main road, and I'm just looking around here the Octo to go at NEHRU place. I see one Octo. Let me go to near to that police thana. I'll be going to police thana nearby. Let me find an Octo and let me move up to NEHRU place. And this is M block police thana. I near this place. Do you see this? Oh, the vehicle broke down. And here there is a plant city nursery. You can order a plant here. This is nearby, and all the flowers inside. And there is near to ZK1 across the road there is a TV channel center. Let me show you that one. Let me show nicely this one. All right, this is NSTV news channel main center. Now I'm going to NEHRU place. My destination is in NEHRU place. Right now I'll just purchase as the stand, the handle stand, the handle tripod, and I'll be going to Chirag Delhi, and then I'll drop it in Northeast shop. So if you want any order, you can order it, and I'll be giving you the contact number, everything. All right. Now I just reached to NEHRU place, and I just drove here, and I just need to go inside, and I need to find a tripod. So let's go. Wow, nice vehicle. Is there any? Now I just get inside in NEHRU place, and I find around here. Let me see around the tripod. This is NEHRU place. Now let me see the tripod. So I just they are saying that this one is 750. I just purchased for 600. आप लोग का कार्ड मिलेगा? ओ भैया, आप लोग का कार्ड मिलेगा? See this one, I just get this one, and in this shop I purchased it. This one I got a cheap one. One of my friend, I just get a YouTuber. He is doing a gaming. So hi, happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And can you please tell me your YouTube channel, the gaming YouTube channel?
Sure. It is Suyash Longani. It's with my name. That says Suyash Longani.
Can you spell it out for me?
Yeah. SUYASH space LONGANI.
Okay. Thank you so much. So you please subscribe to one of my friend, and how to say, he also already subscribed my channel. Okay, I already purchased the the stand, it's nice, it's good. It's like, how to say, now a bit far away from me. I'll go and find the cab again. I just find one of the YouTuber, the gaming one. I'll just keep in the description below, and I'll be giving you the information. Now let me just find my this thing, the cab. Let me go. Hi, Happy New Year, Happy New Year,
Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year.
मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर देना।
हाँ, ना बताइए, हमारा सब्सक्राइब करेंगे।
अच्छा,
करेंगे, बिल्कुल करेंगे।
नागा मोस।
नागा मोस। नागा मोस।
NAGA, नागा and AMOS.
नागा मोस। और ये YouTube पे नहीं आई तो?
आएगा
100%।
100%।
नागा मोस।
So I just find some subscriber, the stranger subscriber. So let me just find the cab. I'll just look it around. Now I just come here and I just find the hook and they already take it out. So, to bada hai sir. I just look it around and I don't get it, but I'll just try it like 5 times. If I don't get it, I'll just go. I'm finding the cab, the lens protection one, but I don't get it. So let me just find it again. Excuse me, इधर कैप वाला मिलेगा? इधर कैप लगाने के लिए?
कैप लगाने के लिए?
हाँ।
नहीं, इसका नहीं मिलेगा।
किधर मिलेगा? Any idea?
इसी लाइन में आगे जाकर आपको 2-3 दुकान खोल सकते हैं।
अच्छा, ठीक है। I just look around. Hi, Happy New Year.
Same to you.
I just get inside and I'll ask, I don't get it. But then I'll just try here in there again. And this is second time. I just try attempt and I don't get it. I just reach here and this is the repairing for the camera, everything. So if you want to repair here, like this, all the camera, I'll show you. And they already repaired like this. All the camera, all the accessory they can purchase, you can do it. So the thing is, all the camera has been made, so no need to be worried. कितना साल हो गया आप इधर काम कर रहा?
10 years.
So you already experienced more than 10 years, I think so.
23 years.
That's 23 years. So he already experienced in 23 years. So any camera, any DSLR mirrorless camera, you can
All type of camera.
Okay. So can you please tell me your address?
B12 Siddharth Building, Nehru Place.
Acha. And can you please show me your card? Let me take once.
A to Z.
A to Z. Everything you can do it. So I'll just show you. Do you see this? So I'll not give in the description, but I'll just show you the picture only. So are you see clearly? Okay. So thank you so much, and and please visit here A to Z camera repairing. You can come and make it. So yeah. So I already purchased here this one, the
UV filter.
filter, and he gave me discount like 50% discount and I purchased for 500. So thank you so much.
Welcome.
And Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Let your shop be a successful one in this year. I a bit late, but I just get a filter right now and I just go back. What I need I don't get all because like Canon shop is already closed, so I'll be went back and I'll just go to my place again. I purchased the lens cover and I just purchased the stand. Most mainly I come from to purchase only the stand. So I'm going back. This camera is good for this one. I'll just go